Hey cruisers, if you're heading out on a cruise soon, stop scrolling. Because today, I'm going to reveal 17 cruise mistakes that can absolutely ruin your vacation. And trust me, number 5 gets almost everyone. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned sailor, you'll want to stick around till the end. Because avoiding even one of these can save you from wasted money, missed opportunities, and major regret. Let's dive in. Just because a cabin looks nice doesn't mean it's the right one. If you're sensitive to motion, avoid cabins at the front or back of the ship. For less movement, book midship on a lower deck. And never book a cabin under the pool deck or buffet, unless you enjoy 6 a.m. chair-dragging wake-up calls. You think you don't need it, until you do. Whether it's a canceled flight, a missed port, or a surprise illness, travel insurance can save you thousands. Cruises have strict schedules. Miss the ship, and you're on your own. Some countries require 6 months of validity on your passport beyond the travel date. Imagine getting to the port and being denied boarding. Always double-check this months before sailing. This is playing travel roulette. One delay and your vacation is sunk, literally. Fly in at least a day early to avoid disaster. That peace of mind, worth every penny. This one gets everyone. If you don't switch to airplane mode, your phone may connect to the ship's roaming network. And guess what? That quick check on Instagram could cost you $200. Use airplane mode plus ship Wi-Fi. Always. Seems obvious, but it happens constantly. Always attach cruise line luggage tags with your name and cabin number. Use plastic tag holders. Paper ones rip easily. You might not get your checked luggage for hours. Pack a day bag with swimsuits, meds, chargers, and a change of clothes so you can enjoy the ship right away. Yes, it's boring. Yes, it's required. Skipping the muster drill can get you kicked off the ship. It takes 10 minutes. Do it. Popular restaurants book up fast. If you wait till you're on board, good luck getting a reservation. Book your must-try spots before you sail. Cruise cabin walls are metal. Bring magnetic hooks to hang hats, lanyards, or wet swimsuits. Total game changer for keeping things organized. Gratuities, specialty coffee, excursions, Wi-Fi, and even some fitness classes may cost extra. Don't get blindsided. Read the fine print and budget ahead. Don't just wing it in port. Research transportation, scams, and top attractions. Or you'll waste precious time and miss the best stuff. Cruise cabins often have just 1 or 2 outlets. Bring a non-surge protected power strip or USB hub. You'll thank me when you're charging 3 devices at once. They're safe, but often overpriced. Look into third-party vendors with good reviews. Many offer smaller groups and better prices. There is limited space in cruise cabins. Pack versatile outfits and rewear things. You don't need 12 pairs of shoes. Yes, really. Each night you'll get a schedule of activities. Read it. Some of the best shows or events happen at odd times. Don't miss the ship-wide scavenger hunt or silent disco. Automatic gratuities are fine, but if someone really made your trip amazing, a few extra bucks handed directly is huge. These people work incredibly hard. All right, cruisers, those are the 17 mistakes that could ruin your cruise if you're not careful. Avoid these, and you're on your way to a smoother, smarter, stress-free vacation. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more cruise hacks, and drop a comment with your biggest cruise mistake.